In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wisetag. Whether you're looking to enhance your organizational skills or simply want to try out a new tool to streamline your tasks, Wisetag could be just what you need. We'll walk through the process step by step, so you can easily set yourself up with this handy resource. First off, it's important to start by opening your preferred web browser. On your computer or mobile device, launch a browser that you feel comfortable using, be it Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you trust. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar, which is usually located at the top of the page, and type in the official Wisetag website URL. If you're unsure of the URL, you can simply search for Wisetag official website in a search engine, and you should find the right link easily among the top results. Upon reaching the official Wisetag homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the site. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, which is typically prominently displayed, inviting new users to create an account. By clicking on this button, you'll be taken to a registration form that you'll need to fill out to proceed. Now, let's move on to creating your Wisetag account. In the registration form, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. This usually includes your name, email address, and a password of your choice. Choose a strong password to ensure your account is secure. A combination of letters, numbers, and special characters often works best for this purpose. After filling in your details, review them to confirm that everything is correct before submitting the form. Once you've completed the registration form, you'll typically receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. It's important to check your inbox, and don't forget to peek into the spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. This confirmation email will likely contain a verification link that you need to click on to validate your account. Once confirmed, congratulations, you're officially a part of the Wisetag community. With the account set up out of the way, feel free to dive into the Wisetag interface. It might be helpful to spend a bit of time getting accustomed to the features and tools available. Exploring tutorials or support sections on the website can provide valuable insights into making the most out of Wisetag's capabilities. And there you have it, the complete steps to set up and start using Wisetag. Take your time integrating it into your daily routine, and before you know it, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!